Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, adto na pud ta sa Nissan kay magkuha ta sa atong sakyanan kay nanawag na kay okay na daw. But ang bayad, ang mahal mga higala, 1,400. Grabe, ang mahal. Mahal magpa-repair dito mga higala. So no choice dahil hindi maka-register ang sakyanan kapag hindi ma-fix ang sasakyanan. So, samahan ninyo kami mga higala. Tara! Okay, mga higala, we here now. Si Daddy and RJ. Kuha na sa sulod. Nandun na sa loob mga higala. O ako, pupunta ko doon. Let's go! Magkuha kami sa aming sakyanan mga higala. There is. Look at this here, so many cars. Ay, not si Hannah. There is. We pick up our car. RJ is already done fixing. Open the garage. Okay guys, we waiting here for pick up the sakyanan mga higala. Waiting in here. Not yet released. Okay. Where's now the car? Okay. Where is the car? The base is raining, RJ, it's raining. Oh my goodness. Here's the car. It's already fixed, but so expensive to fix. 1,400 to fix this car.
That's it?
What's that?
It's gone.
What is gone? Oh, my goodness guys, it's raining. We're here in the tree because they still looking Daddy the car and have person there. Kasi pakita ko sa inyo mga but not so heavy. Here. There we go. Daddy is raining. It's just quick blessing. Daddy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. It's a blessing day. It's raining.
Go to mommy's car.
Okay, we're going to my car in the parking lot. And we're going to Verizon Store. Because RJ want to look at a phone.
You driving with mommy or what?
Want with you, RJ. Okay, let's go to my car. There is the car.
I wish you.
There is the car. Okay, let's go. Guys, we're here now. Finally, we're here in the Verizon. Yeah, we made it. Verizon.
It's only this one, sir.
There is nice, RJ. Wow, what's that? The fro, honey? Bigger than to the other.
That's better.
Yeah. There is Verizon.
No. The alarm will go off.
Yes, RJ.
No, unfortunately.
Smart.